Alright. What's good? We got some One Piece Paramount War going on. Got a little impatient in the car. Opened the pack. There's the super rare. And where's the rare? That one. So pretty sweet. So there's one pack. Next one. Alright. Impel Down All Stars. Frankie. It's pretty sweet. Little Oars Jr. Three Sword Style Onigiri. Solitaire. I don't know where she's from. Dracula Mihawk. Got that one. Not that specific card, but I got a Dracula Mihawk super rare and a 10 from your base set. Yamakiji. A Squad. Minotaur. Magellan leader card. Brook Hollow. And Buggy. It's pretty sweet. And a Dawn card as a given. Alright, 2 packs in, 10 to go. I have no idea how long this video is, but the fact that I'm recording in 4K at 60 FPS, it's probably going to be like 10 gigs or something. Alright, first card, I got Death Wink, Domino, Usopp, You May Be a Fool, But I Still Love You, Sol Death, I hate this little dude, Doberman, that's not Doberman, Full Body, Daifugo, Makino, pretty sick card, Isuka, Sengoku, Marco Hollow, that's a sick card, yo. Marco Hollow. Oh, Sengoku was also a hollow. I see. I like that Marco card a lot. Wow. Cool. All right. Probably have sleeves nearby, but now I'll do it after. So, went to my local card shop, and they had 1 box left, so I went in 1 full box, bought half of it, because I was, looking for this for a while. Something shiny back there. All right, Roronoa Zoro, the Moby Dick, funny card, Sphinx, Noodles, Wanda, strange furry stuff, Kabaji, Tashigi. Rest in peace to my boy. I didn't say that. Arabesque Brickfist. Inuarashi, that's familiar. I think that's, yeah. Isuka Vista. Whitebeard Pirates, Hollow. Monkey D. Luffy. Hollow. Very cool. I don't know what the secret rares in this set are. I know there's a Nami one, but I know nothing. I almost know nothing about this set, so. Alright, we got Yasakani Sacred Jewel. Blue Gory. Roronoa Zoro again. The Moby Dick again. Sphinx again. This is a very familiar pack. Komio, there we go. Kabaji again. Alright, Tashigi, Minotaur. Wow, these are all duplicates. Sengoku Hollow. Yo! I think that's a... Oh my god, that's a secret rare! Yes, sir! Holy! I believe, if my resources tell me correctly, that look at that texture. If my resources have told me correctly from what I've seen on eBay, this is like $100 and $150 card. That is wild. Wow. Okay. Hold for a second because I need a sleeve because that one's not getting waited till after. Oops, throwing stuff. Wow, talk about a crazy pull. That's going to in the grading pile. Well, if you're stuck around for now, yeah, that's pretty sweet. I believe that's a secret rare. I'll leave that one over there, or I'll put it on the right behind the packs. That's pretty sweet. And I mean, for the obvious reasons, that card's worth a lot of money. But that's a pretty sick card, I will say. All right, next pack. All right, we got New Kamaland, Jinbei. Noticing a lot of film red here. Blenheim. Yasakani Sacred Jewel again. Bluegory again. Sentomaru. As much as I hate him, that's kind of a cool art. Komil. Helmepo. Makino. Burundi World. Shiryu. Oh my goodness. Meteor Volcano. That's pretty sweet. They do the hollows really well. All right, next pack. Goodness, my headphones are kicking me in the head here. All right, Solitaire, Dogura, Impel Down, Trafalgar Law, let's go. King Dew, Strawberry, Crocodile, Morley, Shishilian, Zephyr Leader card from, I think that's, film Z. Gum Rain, and Little Sadie. That's fantastic. Another Dawn card, obviously. All right. Five more packs. Shout out to Patrick Gagney for not joining VC. Dogura. Impel Down, another Trafalgar Law, King Dew, Strawberry, Crocodile, Don Quixote do Flamingo, Flippin' Us the Bird, Douglas Bullet, Paradise Totsuka, and Kuza. Oh shoot, no, that's a secret rare. Wow. All right, that is also going in on. Holy crap. Okay, I don't know what this is then. I think that's a parallel, but holy crap, there's the secret rare. I picked some good packs. Whew. My maybe loud voice, I don't know how this is going to translate into audio. Wow, all right. Well, I could probably just stop opening the cards, but where's the fun in that, huh? All right. Wow. Now this is an opening. Wish my luck was this good with the last set. I only opened like 5 packs of that, but still. All right. Frankie, Little Loris Jr. 3-star style. Donkey. Yeah. Ace Age. It's pretty good. Carrot. Hollow. Kuzan. Hey, that's familiar, huh? Oh, we got Navy and former Navy Kuzan. Wow. Wow, this is quite the handful of packs I got here. Alright, Dobon, Magura, Venom Road, Nekomakushi, that's Cat Viper, Thatch, Django, Moji, Bartholomew Kuma, Tony Chopper! He's going in the back. Leader, Emporio Ivankov, Hollow Yamato, and Bon Kure. I love Chopper, so he gets a special spot. As he might as well be one of the best cards we've pulled. Alright, second to last pack here. I'm sure I'm not going to get anything too crazy from here, but you never know. Bluegory, Zoro, Moby Dick, Sphinx, Wanda, Kabaji, Tashigi, Bellamere, Boa Hancock, Kozuki Toki, Kobe, and Jozu. Wow. Alright, final pack. you stuck till the end, well, then good on you. If not, then, well, you're obviously not going to hear this. All right. Long card, name, Saldeth, Atmos, Land of Wano, Full Body, Gecko Moria, Jaguar D Sol, Suru, Curly Dadan, Hydra, Masked Deuce Hollow, and Sakazuki. Super rare. Well, I mean, obviously minus Chopper. Quite the opening here. Got a secret rare Kuzan, and I think this is a parallel Nami. So, I have no idea what this one's worth, but I've seen this one on eBay. Well, quite the opening here. I've said it many times. Thank you for watching, if you made it this far, and see you in however many months when I upload again.